Hello, I'm Mauro Lepore. Today I'm going to talk about how to organize your RStudio projects efficiently. Managing your workflow in projects is a very good idea if you want to learn more about why and how you can check this article. Hadley Wickham has recently shown how he manages his projects with Alfred, which is a software available for Mac, but I and many other people use Windows, so I'm going to show you a different software that does something very similar to Alfred that will help you organize your RStudio projects very efficiently. So the software I use is called Launchee, and it is available for free. You can pay whatever you want if you want. Otherwise, you can just click here and download the latest version or the beta version of it for free. It is very easy to install, super quick to download, and even if you do not have administrative privileges over your computer, you can still install it. So I've done that already, and I can already use it. Once it is installed, you can simply press Alt and the bar to pop up the software, and here you can start typing anything, and it will find what you're looking for. So here I'm searching for RStudio projects, and it is finding them in a very specific location. And to optimize this process, it is a very good idea to come here to the little engine and tell Launchee where to look those projects for. So in my case, this is the path to the folder that contains all my Git projects, and inside them I have all my RStudio projects as well. So I'm telling in the catalog tab, I'm telling Launchee to look specifically inside this directory and look for all the .rproj files. This is all lowercase. So once you do that, you can generally you would rescan your catalog if you have changed the catalog in any way, or Launchee will update the catalog every so often. You can configure how often it does it yourself. So once that's done, that directory will be monitored by a Launchee, which means that you can simply type the project that you are looking for, and you can directly jump into that project. So here I am in RStudio, and I have opened a project using Launchee. You may have seen that RStudio does include a list of recent projects. So if you click here in the projects menu, you can see all the latest projects that I've been working on are listed here, and that's fine. And you can switch from one to the other very efficiently, but the list of recent projects only goes up to 10, and it is often the case that you opened a project that you are not very interested in working again, and it kind of doesn't look very it isn't very efficient to have projects like kind of crowding your list of recent projects that you're not going to use anymore. So to demonstrate how you could kind of go about solving that problem in a slightly different way, I will show you how you could dig inside RStudio internals and edit the list of recent projects yourself. So RStudio saves that list in a file called project_mru, and whatever you list there will appear on the recent project list. So if you have for example, now RStudio already included the latest project that I have used, which is called RStudio Demography, but I could list here some other projects that I know of. So for example, I have a project that is called FGeo Abundance, and that is the path to that project is this one. So if I do that and I click here on my list of recent projects, or once I save this file, sorry for that, that project will be listed here. So I could remove all other projects if I'm interested only in that one, save that file, and now I only have that one. So again, I could now create add this project, FGO, save the file, and confirm here that now I have these two, and so on. Where is this file stored? Okay, so RStudio on my computer stores it here. So you may want to check in your computer if that's exactly the same path, or you need to dig a little deeper. And that's okay, but up to 10 projects, that's a kind of a relatively efficient way to organize your project. But again, you know, digging into this file and editing it manually, maybe it's not a very good idea. Much easier it is to, I'm going to open the on-screen keyboard to show you the shortcut again. So with Launchy, simply you press Alt and space, and that will pop up Launchy. And if you have included the directory with all your RStudio projects into the if you can configure the directory into Launchy, then it's very easy to find any project that you are interested in. And then once you have done that, and if you have multiple projects open, a very easy way to shift between one to the other is pressing Alt and Tab. That will, you know, basically show you all the different windows that you have opened, and you can shift from one project to the other. Okay, thank you very much.